You are welcome. You're welcome. The most common way to reply to thank you in French is de rien. De rien. De rien means of nothing. De means of, rien, nothing. Of nothing. It doesn't really make sense in English, but it's very common. It's what you reply to merci, de rien. You can say, to keep the rien, ce n'est rien. Ce n'est rien. It makes more sense. Ce n'est rien. Ce n'est rien. Ce n'est rien. Ce n'est. It's rien. Nothing. It's nothing. It's nothing. More casually, you can just say c'est rien. Ah, c'est rien. Ah, c'est rien. C'est rien. Il n'y a pas de quoi. Il n'y a pas de quoi. Literally, there is no de quoi of what or of that. And it actually means there is no reason. There is no reason to thank me. Il n'y a pas de quoi. Or, more naturally contracted to y a pas de quoi. Y a pas de quoi. Y a pas de quoi. Je t'en prie. Ah, je t'en prie. Je t'en prie. Je t'en prie. Contracted. Je t'en prie. Ah, je t'en prie. You can actually combine two of them. Ah, je t'en prie, y a pas de quoi. Oh, y a pas de quoi, je t'en prie. Ah, y a pas de quoi, c'est rien. Je t'en prie. So literally, je t'en prie. I t'en to you. Prie, pray. It literally means to pray, but it's sometimes to beg. Je t'en prie. In a different context, you can say ça. Oh, je t'en prie, je t'en supplie. I beg you, please, please. So actually, je t'en prie could be translated to please. Oh, please, come on. Oh, please, it's nothing. In Canada, you can hear people say bienvenu. Bienvenue. It's an Anglicism. It comes from welcome, you're welcome. So now you know how to say welcome. Welcome to my house. We use that in French only in that sense. But in Canada, you can reply to thank you with bienvenue. However, again, the people who go by the book would say that it's an Anglicism and you should avoid using that. One that I like, particularly here in Canada, is ça fait plaisir or ça me fait plaisir. Ça fait plaisir, ça, it, fait, makes, plaisir, pleasure. And if you add the me, ça me fait plaisir, you can use both ça fait plaisir or ça me fait plaisir. So it makes pleasure to me. So it's a pleasure. It's my pleasure. That might be an Anglicism, but I like the sound of it. And usually it's the person who receives the gift or the service who would say, oh, ça me fait tellement plaisir. I'm so happy right now. Thank you so much. But in Canada, you can use it to someone saying thank you. Ah, it's my pleasure. It's my pleasure. Ça me fait plaisir. In Switzerland, I heard some people saying service. Service. Service, it means it's a service. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know with a thumbs up or in the comments, and don't forget to share and subscribe to support this channel. Merci et à bientôt. Thank you and see you soon.